Hello, YouTube! This is Trainboy54, and what I've got here on the pool table is, well, what I got for Christmas last year. The Trackmaster Monkey Palace set. Wow, help Thomas deliver the monkeys. Well, we've got an exclusive Thomas with 2 monkeys, and I'm not sure if you could see anything else on Thomas. There's also a bird, a lizard, well, 2 birds actually, and a frog. Well, I like this sort of wagon that's carrying the monkeys. Looking at the back of the box, that's what the whole playset looks like. Thomas is visiting the Monkey Palace in India, where a few monkeys get separated from their family. As Thomas passes below the tree limb with the monkey in his cargo car, the cheerful chimp grabs onto the limb and swings back towards his friends. Well, this looks like a fun playset to play with. On the back, on this side of the box, it shows you 16 pieces. Well, I'll see if I can count the pieces, and... Oh, I like this picture on this side of the box, as seen on the show. Thomas in the Monkey Palace, that's the name of the episode. Well, well, let's get to unboxing this playset. We'll put it together and try it out. Okay. Well, first of all, there's the exclusive Thomas. It's got 2 birds, a couple of monkeys. That's what it looks like. It's the lizard. And the tree frog. Thomas's boiler is covered in vines, or... well, whatever those are. Nothing on the back of Thomas, it's blank. Oh! 2 more monkeys! Nice jungle detailing. Ooh, snake! I bet that's Ka from the Jungle Book. Yep, a normal, usual face of Thomas. This cargo car... oh, it looks nice. Yes, it exactly has a different rear coupling compared to the other redesigned Trackmaster Thomas rolling stock. And those monkeys. They look like good buddies. Monkey to monkey. Okay, it took at least a little longer than a while than I thought it would be. But here's the layout. Check out the color pieces of the track. They reflect the theme of the jungle. Except the switch track here. The buffer stoppers are green. This track here. These 3 track pieces here are green. These 3 pieces are yellow. This track here, this curved one, next to the temple with Rajiv in it, and this one with the crane limb crane, or whatever. Well, I've got the cargo car with the monkeys. I've got Thomas. Oh, I didn't put the battery in yet. Well, let me get the battery into Thomas, and we'll hear how he sounds before we give this playset a test run. Oh yeah, listen to that. Now just... Let's not forgetting him to couple him up to the car. Okay. Now, let's give this place a shot, shall we? Oh! That wasn't supposed to happen. Or that. Or even that. Let me see if I got this wrong. What did I went wrong? Step 1, how to play. Rotate and set the tree limb. Okay. Place the monkey in the cargo. Ensure the monkey is facing forward. We've got 2 monkeys here. His tail is, like, curved, but this monkey is all, well, even curly. Let's go for this one. Number 3, the monkey swings onto the platform. That's how Thomas moves along. Let's try. Oh, that's how it works. And step 4, place the monkeys all around the set. Let's see if I can get up. I'm supposed to go like that. There. So that's how the Monkey Palace set works. I wonder, maybe if I try placing the monkeys there. Yeah, that's a good one. And the other one next to him. Would you look at that? 2 monkeys hanging on the palace. And Thomas knocked them all over. How about we place this monkey here? We can easily place the monkey over on top of the... there. Now, I wonder if Thomas will knock this monkey off from the, off the golden arch, or... golden arch. Here comes Thomas, horse the monkey, and... oh! What? I can't believe it! Oh! Oh! I spoke too soon. Oh, let's try that again. Once, twice, and around 3 times. Oh, it worked the last time it happened. Oh, it did happen! Well, this was rather a monkey sight to see. Whew. Thomas and the Monkey Palace, this is a good set to play with. If you folks want me to do a Disney parody of... No, a Thomas and Friends parody of The Jungle Book, leave your comments in the comments below, and, well, I'll see what I can do about that. So, thanks for watching. In the meantime, I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned for new Trainboy54 videos of 2020, aka the year of the Battle of Decisions. Bye!